Ethics begins when we encounter other people, not when we follow rules. This is one of the teachings of Emmanuel Levinas. We are responsible for others simply because they exist, even before thinking about ourselves. This responsibility is asymmetrical, meaning we are called to care even if nothing is given back. Levinas explains this through substitution, where we carry some of another person's burden as our own. His philosophy shows that ethical leadership and teaching, as I am in the teaching field, mean putting the well-being of others first. Substitution means stepping into another person's situation and helping carry their struggles. As an educator, this can mean supporting a struggling student or helping a colleague who is overwhelmed, even if it requires extra effort. About anarchy, for Levinas, doesn't mean disorder. It means that our responsibility to others comes before systems or rules. Ethical action sometimes requires compassion beyond policies or schedules. Unlimited responsibility reminds us that ethical duty never truly ends. Educators are called to care beyond the minimum, even when the effort is not returned. In my teaching and management, I prioritize the needs of students and my fellow faculty by listening, offering support, and creating a respectful environment. I practice substitution by helping colleagues during difficult times, even when it adds to my workload. Guided by Levinas, I am to lead and teach with compassion, going beyond formal duties to serve others ethically and responsibly.